Today I'm going to make a weekend special from Bengal, that is Murgi Jhol. So let's start cooking. To start the Murgi Jhol, you need to marinate the chicken. For that, I have taken 500 grams of curry cut chicken. In that, I'm going to add haldi, some salt. Now I'm going to massage it nicely. So guys, our chicken is done marinating. I'm going to follow the same procedure for the potato. In that also I'm going to add turmeric powder and some salt. I'm done applying the masala on the potato as well as the chicken. Now I'm going to shallow fry them for 5 minutes. For that, I'm going to switch on the gas, add little mustard oil. Now that our oil has reached its smoking point, now I'm going to add chicken to it. Make sure you shallow fry the chicken nicely for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Then you get a nice golden color. As you can see, the color is already coming in. Once you are done shallow frying the chicken, you need to transfer it back into the bowl. I'm going to heat up the same pan, add little mustard oil to it, and follow the same procedure for the potatoes. And just like chicken, I'm going to shallow fry the potatoes also for at least 5 to 6 minutes to get a nice golden color. We are done shallow frying the potatoes for 5 to 6 minutes. I'm going to remove it into a bowl. We are done making potato as well as our chicken. Now we'll start moving on to the gravy. For that, I'm going to switch on the gas. And in the same pan, I'm going to add in more mustard oil. Once your oil heats up, you're going to add in 2 bay leaves. With that, few pods of cardamom, 2 cinnamon stick, 2 star anise, and few cloves. And once they start to splutter, I'm going to add in chopped garlic, as the garlic color starts changing, I'm going to add in some onion and cook it till it gets translucent. Now that we have achieved the desired color on the onion, we'll add in chopped tomato, chopped ginger, and chopped green chilies. We're going to saute the tomato till it gets mushy. Once the tomato gets little mushy, it's time to add some seasoning. First, red chili powder. With that, some cumin powder, some salt to get the things going, and black pepper. And we'll cook it till the rawness of the masala goes away. If you feel the masala is getting little burned, you can add little water. At this stage, we'll add the shallow fry potato which we did earlier. Mix it up nicely with the masala. Also at this stage, I'm going to add more water to it. And let it reach a nice boiling point, and then we'll add the chicken. Now that the water started boiling, I'll add in the chicken. Mix the chicken nicely with the masala. And then just close it with the lid. And let it cook for at least 12 to 13 minutes. 12 minutes are done, which means our chicken will be ready. Let's see. Yes, it is ready. Now we'll start plating it. For that, I'll switch off the gas. And for garnish, I'm going to add in some freshly chopped coriander. And there you go guys, our Murgi Jhol is ready. You also definitely try this recipe and do let me know how it turned out. This is Chef Pratik signing off. Take care and goodbye.